Hello, my name's Ken Novenstern. I'm a partner in the firm of Fredman, Baken, and Novenstern in White Plains and Mount Kisco, New York. And I was on a call today with another attorney. We're both acting as mediation consultants. And in talking with this attorney, I realized that it would be worthwhile to get the mediator on the line and discussed with the mediator the issues about the client's concerns that I was discussing with the other attorney. This is really a great example of one of the benefits of mediation and collaborative law. And it made me realize that this was an opportunity in this video to really relate to people what a mediation consulting attorney does. And so I wanted to give you a little bit of information in that regard. And as a mediation consultant, when the mediation process starts, I think most mediators tell the clients that they should really have their own attorneys, that the attorneys will be especially important once an agreement is drafted, and the attorneys can then review the agreement with the parties and provide comments, suggestions. And so the other thing that I think a mediation consulting attorney is important for is to answer questions of the parties as they go through the mediation process. A mediator is limited to the extent that they cannot give legal advice. They are a neutral party, a neutral service provider in the process, and they really can't give legal advice to one party or the other. They have to maintain their neutrality. And maintaining neutrality is a potentially very hard thing to do, but it's very important for the mediation process. So a mediation consulting attorney can provide important information, can provide information about the law to the client, and once the agreement has been drafted by the mediator or by one of the attorneys, then the attorneys can weigh in. With regard to my conversation with the other attorney and the mediator today, it was very interesting because it gave us an opportunity to communicate with regard to the case, make sure the mediator had awareness of some of the concerns that the parties were expressing outside of the room, outside of the mediation, and it really helped to inform, I think, all three of us concerning next steps in the process and what was important to both of these parties. At the end of the day, a mediation is really intended to work toward an agreement that is the parties' agreement, not the attorneys, not the mediators, but the parties' agreement. And the more transparency, the more communication that can take place on behalf of the clients, the more likely that there will be a successful mediation. I just wanted to provide that kind of information. And again, my name is Ken Novenstern, and I look forward to answering any questions that you might have and possibly working as a mediation consulting attorney with you. Thank you.